All around the world, every day we go and look for the news. We want to find out what is trending, what is the big news out there. But do you actually know that those news that you actually sort for every day, you can use it to earn a lot of money? For instance, when it comes to Google News, do you realize that you can earn money with Google News? Somebody might be thinking, how can this be done? Well, that is what this video is all about. I'm going to show you in this video today how you can earn up to $200 a day using Google News. Now, how can you go about this? You would have to stick around with me as I'm going to take you step by step and show you how this can be achieved. I interest you to know that with this format I'm going to show you, you do not need to have a degree, neither do you need a qualification for you to do this. And this is actually something that you can do wherever you are in the world. Yes, all it takes is just a few steps and you get it done. Back to my channel. This is Online Cash Craft. What we talk about here is different ways you can earn money online. If today is your very first time of coming across my channel, thank you so very much. And if you've been here before, you decided to come back and watch this video, thank you. To all my amazing subscribers out there, thank you so very much. I appreciate your patronage. I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm gonna just take you straight and show you the format and the ways you can earn up to $200 a day using Google News. The very first step we would have to take is, of course, we want to earn money with Google News. You have to go to Google and you type in Google News. So you have to search it by trending topics or the highest searched topic out there. Now, when you have done that, you're gonna go ahead and select the topic according to your niche that interests you. I'm gonna take you straight now and show you the remaining steps that you can take to earn money using Google News. Okay guys, so this is how this platform is. You go to google.com and here you're going to type in Google News. Now when you type in Google News, you're going to select the one that you want to work on, which is Google News Today, right? So here you will see Google News Today. You're gonna select the trending news for today, the news that are going viral for today. Those are the ones you're going to select. Now, when you select, remember that you have to select based on your niche. We're going to work on health niche for this particular video, but it doesn't have to be health niche. You can go with finances and all of that. So we selected a very popular article under health niche, and here is the article. So we're going to take this article now and go to a platform that is called spinbot.com. So here is this platform for Spinbot. As you can see here, it says one-click text summarizes with all AI summarizer, right? So this is Spinbot for you guys. And what does it do? We're gonna paste the article link we had just copied. When we paste it here, it's gonna translate it for us. It's gonna rewrite it for us. Intelligent free text rewriting tool. That is what Spinbot is all about. It's a rewriting tool, right? And it goes on to say discover how Spinbot works. So if you scroll down a little bit, it does paraphrasing tool it has, and over here it says Spinbot's amazing, contextually intelligent software will boost your creative momentum as you find unlimited new ways of expressing yourself. One click will be the extra push you need to get your brain out of that writer's slump, right? Used by millions of people every month. So you can agree that this is good, fun and fresh take on style content, grammatically accurate. This is Spinbot, guys. And yeah, so when you scroll down a little bit more, what is Spinbot? You can see what Spinbot is here. Is a free automatic article spinner that will rewrite human readable text into additional intelligent readable text summarily. If you need a paraphrasing tool, Spinbot will get the job done for you for that purpose as well. So this is how Spinbot works. Spinbot is just the tool to use when you want to paraphrase, when you want to change the article. Remember, we're going to use this article to make money, and we need to rewrite it for us to earn money using that particular article that we copied the link. Spinbot is the best free article spinner on the internet today. Yes, simply the best on the internet today. Now here it says article rewriting tool on the web. It beats anyone out there at the moment. So we will head back over to Spinbot, where we're going to use the article we just copied. So if you click on the Spinbot and you paste the link, the highlighted article you just copied, now you can see it's rewriting it. The one on the right hand side is the rewritten one that it had done for you. If you check, you will find out that it is so good. You can see the one on the right hand side, the box on the right hand is the one that Spinbot had put a spin on it. Yeah, so that is what it is all about. Spinbot will help you put a spin on the article, and that is it, guys. The very first platform that you can use to monetize your article that you had already spinned is a platform that is called skyword.com. Skyword.com helps the content creator to market their content. They help both the freelance and the companies. So how do they pay their writers? They pay their writers every month through direct deposit and PayPal. Okay guys, so this is skyword.com. This is how the platform looks like, the content marketing company. See how we help. If you want to watch the video, it's entirely up to you. Now, if you click on the one that says about us, right? So you're gonna get a lot of information about this particular platform. Freelance with us, freelance with Skyward. Skyward connects exceptional writers, graphic designers, videographers, photographers, and other creatives with top-tier brands looking to truly connect with their audiences through great storytelling. So if you want to become one of them, you click on the one that says I want to freelance. Now you get down a little bit. When you scroll down a little bit, you see here they have 2 billion page visits generated. This is what they have already generated. $30 million paid to freelancers. They are in 59 nations already. Contributors call home. You can see. So guys, the next platform we're going to use for this particular project is called Listverse. So with Listverse, you get paid at least $100 per article that you submitted and that is approved. With Listverse, you don't have to be an expert for you to be able to submit an article to their platform. All you need is just to have a basic knowledge of the English language as to be able to write your articles that will be assessed and approved. So the format here is to put a list together and you send it, and when it's approved, you get paid. Listverse, there is another platform that is called the Penny Hoarder. Now with the Penny Hoarder, it's a personal blog where they talk about finances. So if you're the kind of writer that love to write things about finances, how to make money online and all of that, so try and make sure your focus is on financial blogs. That is how you're gonna make it using this particular platform. So the Penny Hoarder boasts of 1.2 million us to their platform at least. So you can agree with me that this is a very good platform to start with. So the next one is the Sun magazine. With the Sun magazine, you can earn up to $2,500. All you need is you just follow their procedure. You just with the Google News article that you have written, you just post it on the Sun magazine and you earn. These are the ways that you can earn using the Google News format. Now there's another one that is called the internationalliving.com. Now with the internationalliving.com, they have 3 categories of blogs that they accept on their platform. The number 1 is traveling. If you're the kind of person that loves to blog about traveling, this will be a very good platform for you. And the second one is retirement, and the third one is real estate. So when you have all of these topics that they deal on the platform, all you need to do is you go to Google News, you get the article there, and so you put it together like we had shown on the previous ones, and you post it, you start earning money. The very last one is cracked.com. If you're somebody who loves comedy, you might think about cracked.com. Yes, that's a very good platform that you can start on. Write your comedy script and send it to them. They will approve and you get paid. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first to be notified. That's it all for today, guys. I hope you find value in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.